Alright guys, time to take a quick look at Pancakeswap here on the channel. Finally, once again, it's been 2 months since I've looked at it. And yeah, Pancakeswap is finally getting a little bit of a push. You can see just in the last week or so. Today it was as high as $3.18 though. And yeah, it has gotten a rejection since then. But right now, this week, we have retested this $2.52 mark basically, and let's see if we can maintain that as support. The next resistance, guys, will be up here at about $4.87. So yeah, it has a lot of room to grow. And yeah, I mean, I love Pancakeswap. I do have quite a bit of this, and I actually picked up Pancakeswap I think about 200 or so right down here at the low, guys. Yeah, I think it was on the 23rd when it started to pump. So yeah, somewhere down here I got like 200 Pancakeswap. I had bought 100 before that, guys, so my average is still quite low with Pancakeswap. I did get a lot of Pancakeswap in staking. They used to give like 40% in Binance. But anyways, guys, don't want to bore you too much there. Let's take a quick look at Pancakeswap in the tokenomics here. 450 million of this, guys. That actually is not high at all. That's, this coin can pump really hard when it wants. Now, circulating, what, 60% of that is out, maybe 65. So that is a really low supply, guys. Now, all-time high was about $44. So guys, this is still 93% down from all-time high. I mean, this has mega upside to it, and I'm glad I have my bag, and I do think it can probably get to its all-time high and even exceed it by a little bit. So let's see what happens in the short term here. Maybe long, it depends. I think we have about 9 months to 12 months. Whether that's short to you or long, that's up to you to decide. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin, it's dumped about $3,000 today. But the alts aren't really suffering that bad. Taking a look at the total market cap, guys, 3.22 trillion. So it has come down. Keep in mind, this is with Bitcoin. Now, taking a look at the total too, this excludes Bitcoin. And you can see that basically we've gotten a little bit of a doji candle here. Like yesterday, but we did retest the swing high from, when was it? It was like March. So that is actually good to see. We did retest that. We did get a bounce. Today we almost came down and retested that. Now keep in mind, from this channel that we broke out of, the target is up here at about 1.44 trillion. Now that doesn't mean it's going to stop when it gets there. That's just the target for now. So I do believe it will grow a little bit more here, and then maybe we'll see some consolidation and have to reevaluate. Now, taking a look at the dominance, guys, it's still continuing down. I mean, this is excellent for altcoin holders. You can see that yesterday it did get a rejection here. It tried to push up over this trend line. Now, keep in mind, I drew this trend line all the way from back in middle July here. And yeah, it has fallen through finally. It fell through actually on Saturday, but yesterday it tried to get back above. It actually made a pretty good push and just wasn't able to do it. And we're getting kind of a straight, downward candle right now on the dominance, guys. So it's perfect for us that hold altcoins. Now, taking a look, the monthly return, we have 35%. For Bitcoin, this may come down. I don't think this updates very often. Let me try to refresh this. And let's see, still 35%. Yeah, I don't think it's updating. But anyways, guys, whether it's between 30 and 40 this month, excellent. I do believe December could be the same. Now, it's not altcoin season yet, according to this index, as you see here. But as I said, once we got above 50, guys, I personally feel that we're going to shoot up the altcoin season very quickly. I do believe, within the next couple weeks to a month, maybe we're going to see 75 or more. So keep that in mind. We're closer to altcoin season than we are Bitcoin season too. Now, fear and greed, 82 right now. Yesterday was 80, actually flat. So yeah, I mean, we did kind of get a little bit of a push yesterday with Bitcoin, and kind of got a little hammer candle, a green one. But yeah, today is, I think we're going to go down with the fear and greed probably tomorrow, which is good. I would rather cool down a little bit because we've been going just straight up lately. Now, the Pi cycle indicator, guys, this indicator pretty much, shows when Bitcoin is finished. Now, it has predicted that within like a day or two, every single top. So you can see, guys, we were closer to crossing in July of this year than we are right now. And, it's November. So, however, it is, going back up. You can see it's curving right here. So I think we still have quite some time. Like, I think 9 to 12 months still, probably next summer, maybe start to look to scale out. That's totally up to you. It's not financial advice, but I do believe in about 9 to 12 months, this will probably get, pretty close to crossing here. Crypto bubbles, guys, pretty much, most things are in green. Now, of course, there are some in red, like AR. It did have a nice weekend. I do hold this. It's like my third largest bag, or fourth largest bag. And yeah, it had an excellent weekend. So yeah, naturally, it's going to get a pullback, guys. So some of these, had nice weekends and things. Solana, it's at all-time highs, guys. So naturally, it's going to pull back. Don't be worried. So if you want to stake your Pancakeswap, guys, go to Coinando. And you do have a few choices here, but there isn't much for Pancakeswap and very little, percentage. So it doesn't really matter pretty much where you stake it. But yeah, hodler, I haven't tried that one, so I don't know it. Anyways, guys, totally up to you where you want to stake it. So guys, if you like this video about Pancakeswap and Bitcoin, give this a like, share this with your friends, and activate the bell. And guys, I'm going to see you in the next one.